Well, this will probably be short and sweet. This is from my buddy Stan Zinkowski at Barzy Industrial. And I had no clue this was coming. This stuff, I've shown this stuff quite a few times. Drilling and tapping and that kind of stuff. Tapping. I got no clue what's in here though, so you guys recognize this? I changed the blade, but I don't have any blades for it. I finally figured, anyway. Let's cut that. That's hilarious. I've seen these online and stuff like that on his channel and that stuff, so that's awesome. Thank you, Stan. I appreciate that. Fake machining. Yeah, well, if you can't manual machine, you CNC, I guess, huh? FOG. I'll have to go check. All right, cool. Hey, well, thanks again, Stan. Let me...